How do they feel when you fly it? Does it work alright? Okay. That's what matters. Are you guys done yet?
I just put a new canopy last time. It feels pretty good.
Cool. Hey, are you guys, how much time do you have? How much time do you guys have left? Oh God, he's still talking. Hey guys, do you have time for us to go out? I'm gonna do a loop on takeoff, alright? Come on, come on. Come on out with me. But just wait for me, okay? I'm doing a loop on takeoff. Okay, so you can stay right there. And then I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna do a loop. Just as I'm starting to head down on the loop, punch it and go, okay? That's a nice plane. Alright guys, take it off, doing a loop. Yeah. Take it off! Okay, start going. Punch it. There you go. Now go ahead and get ahead of me. Get ahead of me. And then I'll stay on your right wing. Okay? Make your turns really smooth.
Can I call it my turns?
Just turn. Just fly. I'll stick with you. Just make everything really smooth and predictable. Everything really predictable, and I can do whatever. Okay. Don't turn that far out though. Way too far. Yeah, closer.
Time remaining 2
Get lower.
minutes.
Turn now. There you go. Make the turns closer. Okay. It's easier to keep perspective. Right there. Yeah. But it's got to be more predictable. That's too fast. There you go. It's alright, you're good. You're doing good. Still let me get ahead of you, so go back ahead. And I'll come back on your wing. The way you want to do it, you want to bank your wings first and then start turning, alright? Because I can't keep up with you if you turn without. I got to know you're about to turn. See what I mean? There you go. There you go. See how I can follow you? Now the guy that's in my position, I have to use a lot more throttle than you.
Time
So.
remaining 1 minute.
Don't forget we're flying low throttle, so you've got plenty of time. Go. Okay. I'll wait for you. But see, we're doing pretty good. So I'll let you do that. I'll stay down low. So I'll do a loop, and I'll catch back up with you. Go.
You know when jets are refueling, it's so hard for them to initialize the throttle and everything?
Yep, they're always over. They're all over everything.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Good stuff, Mike. Okay, go ahead. I'll follow you in. I still got plenty of battery, so I'm just gonna putt around.
I'm not going to use any throttles.
What I'm going to do now, I call it an escort. I'll follow you in.
Oh, it's just like Top Gun when Cougar was freaking out and you looked him in.
Landing flags.
Oh no, it should come out on a weekday. It's really light. There's a lot of people this morning.
slower than I can go.
Flat up.
Okay. Good job, Mike. Okay, landing. I think it's Ryan. Ah! Windy. Good job, Mikey.